Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where we are stuck with you and we are always smiling. Tonight I'm with the beautiful Judah, my girl looking like a snack. But anyway, it's actually restaurant week, and you guys might know like restaurant week is the best time to actually get some of the best deals at some of the really good restaurants in Jamaica. So what quickly happened was Judah wanted to have some Chinese. Yeah, she wanted to have some Chinese, and the stuff on the menu were like maybe like 2,500. What she wanted lobster. But we realized that at restaurant week we could have gotten the same thing for like 1850 plus tax. So why not just dress up and go for the experience? So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to the Cee restaurant. We've never been there before, but
I've been there before.
You've been there before? Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's good. So we're going there tonight, and we're gonna see how good it really is. See what I'm talking about? My girl. Hey. So that's what I'm saying. Like, they got a new restaurant over there called Chive. We've never been there before, but we're gonna check it out sometime soon. It looks really posh. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to the regular degular. I know it's not regular degular, but anyway, this is where we are. Cee. It's on Orchid Plaza in Legani. Alright, so it's pretty nice. Alright, cool. Alright, so we pretty much got sat just now. You guys probably saw me just looking around and stuff, looking at stuff. Like, the ambiance is pretty chill, to be quite honest. We're here. Judah's doing her snap game, you know what I'm saying? And I'm about to take a quick look at the menu. To be quite honest, I'm feeling for seafood. What you guys feeling for tonight? Seafood? Alright, I got you. Guys, so Judah and I pretty much are here saying like something smells good. Like, I hope that's food, I swear. But yeah, the vibe here is pretty chill. For me, when I go out, I kind of like having a bit more people around in the restaurant to make me feel more alive and stuff. But like on the other part over there are more people there just chilling and stuff. So
I'm on Instagram, that place.
Over there? We can go there because it looks good.
Doesn't that just like see first?
Yeah.
You know what we said first? Just jump up.
Feet first. Yeah, dishes look good. She's in her research mode, guys. She's researching hard.
Good. They have the lights on the inside.
Oh, I like those. Those are cool. Show them.
They have it at the Haven.
Yeah, pretty dope.
So like she's like, yo, they're going to add me to a group chat and whatnot. I think there's when did she hit me up? She sometime this week. I like, okay, so I'm kind of excited because you know a bitch been wanting to do this, but try not to get my hopes up because so them feel they're kind of unorganized and shit. So I'm just here waiting. But I think their thing is what, next week? Or the
Right.
week after next. I don't remember which one comes first, but I think Exodus one comes first.
Ooh, yeah, buddy. Oh, look at that. Thank you. Hello? Alright guys, so the food is here. Because Judah is art director right now. Taking some photos. What I got is it's a crawfish, spicy, and I'm loving how it looks, to be quite honest. And what did you get, baby?
Crab soup.
Crab soup? What if there's crab in it and not just like the juices?
You'd see the meat when I dig in. Ooh. Yeah.
How is it? Wow, you see all that meat, all that crab in it? Man, those crabs were hiding, like they're hiding on some rock or something, man. I'm about to try this and tell you guys how good it tastes. Like, I'm really psyched to see what this really tastes like. So, guys, look at that. All that nice meat. Look at that. Meat's awesome. And let's see how good this is gonna taste. It's pretty good. I'm gonna try with the sauce.
Is it spicy or is it the sauce?
Without the sauce, it's mild. The sauce is like a sweet and sour sauce. What I like about this is, like, remember that video that I did with what's this called again? Jabba shrimps. Like, that's just like
Jabba's what?
shrimps.
Huh?
Shrimps.
Okay.
Yeah, with Jabba shrimps. It's really good, but this is a more traditional styled shrimp, which sometimes can be not as flavorful, but this one, the sauce and the presentation is really good. Oh, and the food does come. No problem, we take it.
Where's the mat? It comes on the side, so
These people here ain't gonna make you hungry because the food is ready already. We here eating, and the main course is already here. I'm trying some of Judah's dip. Here. Trying Judah's soup, and remember, they did not hold back on the flavor at all.
Yeah, they're barely any meat in this.
No, no, it's crawfish. Mine was good, but I think her choice was better.
Yep.
There's a lot more meat on the crab. Hey, boo. Good. Alright guys, I'm going to show you like what we got. So this is a lobster. The lobster is up and running. I haven't tried it as yet. Roasted sweet potatoes. What kind of shrimp is that, babe?
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili shrimp. And Judah got mashed potatoes. And over here we got a crime scene. Like I killed everybody. But the shell, which I like about it, you can actually chew on it because it's fried and everything. It's got good flavor. But I really want to get digging into this before it gets cold. Like, I just tasted the sauce on this. The sauce is rich. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be disappointed with this at all. With this kind of sauce. My girl tastes it for one try. This is probably the best. It beat Hell Chef on me. The tenderness of this lobster sauce.
You've never had curry lobster though when you go.
Of course, when we go to Hell Chef, I say more garlic, more garlic, more garlic.
It's garlic sauce, it's not curry.
Oh. See what I'm talking about? They did not play. They did not play with this. Oh my gosh. Come on. Yeah. Hers is basic. But this, I'm gonna show you guys. You guys wanna be up in my plate. But look at that, yo. It's just so soft. So soft and good. And then look at the sauce. Look at the consistency of the sauce. It's just so thick and nice. Trust me. Job well done. I am so happy that we came here. This is now my spot.
For seafood.
Huh?
For seafood.
For seafood, like in town? Just close to home? Wow. They did not disappoint. I'm gonna try the when I did the roast sweet potatoes are soft. I thought it was gonna be like hard. It's almost like a mashed potato that you can cut. That's the consistency. It's really good. Wow. Grande for me. Yo guys, this has got to be one of the best lobsters that I've ever had in my life. Like, yo, you know, you started eating like really ugly, you don't care if anybody's watching you. Like, trust me, I got really ugly with this lobster. My hands got sticky, I was crunching, I was doing everything. Like, honestly, I didn't really care that this lobster had a family to go back to. Like, I really didn't. Like, I just wanted to mess it up. Yo, this is... And yo, Judah was looking at me for the whole time. She was just like, I wish I chose a lobster, but I didn't care. I didn't care. Like, I didn't even want to. I didn't even offer an extra bite. I was like, nah, screw that. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I did. Damn.
Like the small one.
But yeah, cause I felt kind of sorry for her and stuff. Like, she was looking. Yo, you know, like when yeah, eat food and the dog get what I do.
Bag Stephen Phillips.
That's so good. That's how good the lobster was. Like, yo, check it out, man. Crime scene. Everybody did. brother.
He was just hungry, guys. He was just really
I wasn't hungry. The food, it wasn't.
He was just hungry.
Get your 2 cents.
I said what I said.
Guys, she even switched my Moscato. I had the white Moscato. I took a sip and she switched it up. It don't taste much different.
I know. That's why I left you with it.
That's not why. Alright guys, so me and my lady, we're about to leave this place right now. The food was pretty good. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.
Camera shy.
Are you kidding me? Are you crazy? Anyway, we're gone. So guys, like I thought the night was done. Cool story. So when I was at the restaurant, I was like, babe, could I have the ice cream? And she's like, nah, it's crazy, Jim. Don't eat it. So I'm like, why? She's like, because I said so. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna be submissive and shit. So, look where I'm at. Damn it, house, nigga! My girl got money. Money. Thanks for my ice cream, babe. Even though I thought you were dessert. Give thanks, bro. But yes, I wonder why God bless you so nice woman. Eh? The ugly man them win again. Gone.